In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Drive upload faster. We all know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to upload an important file, and it just seems to take forever. Fortunately, there are some simple steps you can follow to increase your upload speed and make your Google Drive experience much more efficient. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. Open up your browser and navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. The next step is to select the file you want to upload. It could be a video, a photo collection, or any document you need to share or store in your drive. Now, once you've selected your file, right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up. In this menu, hover over the option that says Open With. This will expand another set of options for you. You might notice that there are several apps already connected to your Google Drive, which can be really handy for a variety of tasks. Next, find and click on Connect More Apps. This is where the magic happens. By connecting more apps, you can enhance the functionality of your Google Drive, and in this case, hopefully speed up your upload process. In the window that opens, you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type the word speed. What we're looking for is an app that can help get those uploads moving a little quicker. You'll see an app pop up called Speed Uploader for Google Drive. It's specifically designed to help increase your upload speeds, making your entire process a lot more seamless. Click on the app to get more information about it. This will give you details on how it works and why it's useful for boosting your uploads. After you've checked out the details, click on Install to add Speed Uploader to your Google Drive. The installation process is straightforward, and once it's complete, you should notice a difference in your upload times. It's that simple. With these easy steps, you can optimize your Google Drive and say goodbye to slow uploads. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your browser up to date, as well as your internet connection running smoothly. This can also play a crucial role in how fast things move along. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you manage your Google Drive uploads more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have a great day.